Good morning, everyone, and a very special hi to all my life sciences students right now. We are talking about the new age jobs that are getting up in the life sciences space. I think this is a very important question that's not getting answered. What we see that the world is changing around us, and all these changes are happening real time. And what's bringing all the changes? It's AI. So AI today is touching us in the IT space, the finance, even in all creative fields. But whenever I have spoken to all my life sciences students, they probably talk about, with either an eagerness to understand what is AI going to do, what are the changes that AI is going to bring, and I am here to answer all this for you. And before we talk about the new career opportunities, I definitely want to bring in a point here. There are certain realities within the life sciences industry. What we see is that the careers were very, very stable till about few years ago, or probably a decade ago, when most of us started our journeys. But today this is all going through a major shift. AI is playing a role in work that is largely repetitive, manual, and rule based. For example, data entry tasks, assigning medical codes without understanding their meaning, reviewing safety cases the same way every single time, and creating reports that don't actually drive decisions. Many of such tasks are now automated, and AI is doing this in a very, very different way. It's created a major shift across almost all the life sciences roles. These changes must be concerning to life science students, and today I'm going to tell you what you must be doing to prepare yourself when you are entering the healthcare workforce. I think the first step is to start looking at real job roles that exist in the life sciences domain. Graduates should look across clinical research, drug safety, medical coding, healthcare analytics, hospital operations, and healthcare services. And as you go through the job descriptions, don't just read them, make notes, write down the skills that they expect you to have, tools that the organization have mentioned and which you need to master, the kind of work that you will be doing, and where all you will be involved. And when you do this across multiple roles, you will see that there is a pattern that exists. A pattern for handling data, analytics, automation, AI-assisted tools, and decision support, and how seamlessly this will connect to the overall workflow. I mean, this will really, really help you to get a flair and understanding of what's happening in the industry. The next step is very critical. Let's speak to, the placement officer, which is helping you, or the career cell. Ask them about the roles, not just companies, because it's not important which company that you get hired. What is more important is that what role that you are playing in the organization. I think that will shape your future. The question should be, what are the roles for which the companies are hiring? What are the skills that a recruiter consistently is asking for? The new set of skills that are getting developed in the tech space. And as a student, what are roles that you must be preparing for? I think these are the questions that are very critical. I would also suggest something which probably a lot of students don't do. Alongside, you can spend time understanding how work actually happens in these roles. So alongside this, you can spend time understanding how work actually happens in various life sciences roles. Watch role-based videos, webinars, discussions where professionals are explaining their day-to-day work. I would also say that you should keep a note on what they are talking about, the tools that they are using, the challenges with data handling, and the decisions they support on a day-to-day basis. At the same time, stay aware as to how the healthcare workforce and the workplace is changing. Follow pharmaceutical news, pay attention to conversations around automation, analytics, compliance, and AI. I think that's super important. Also, many a times students ask me, what is that they need to do? I suggest build a library of resources from where you can learn and become more aware. Start networking with your seniors, industry folks, and friends you know. Finally, seek career guidance from career coaches, counselors who will probably give you good insights, prepare you with an edge over your peers. So, for those who are curious to know how AI will change life science career paths, we are conducting an AI/ML in healthcare masterclass. This will help you understand real career pathways, how AI is used in actual healthcare roles, decide what skills you should focus on next. Whichever path you choose, start with clarity and direction. This makes all the difference. This will help you to build a strong and a future ready career in the life sciences domain, and I'm sure AI is topping it up. Come, join our masterclass and explore career pathways in AI/ML. We'll be looking forward to meeting you, hoping to see you all there. Thank you so much.
Visit us today, www.CliniLaunchResearch.in.